back. CC, that's complete. It's on the market, and we're gonna drop the post where y'all can see all of the details and the sell amount. Yeah. This right here, this tile pattern. I thought this was a dope pattern. A lot of the finishes and shit we chose, we got from social media, like just watching a lot of videos and just taking things that we like. And so this tile pattern was something we seen on a post. It's pretty dope. Hit hard off the black doors, the black handles. And a black closet in it, we gotta run into this coat closet right here. Then these floors is hard. Because one, I kind of created this thing. You can't get this shit out of cans, so I'm gonna try it. I should, what they call it, trademark this shit? Yeah, I mixed this up. Well, I told my flow guy with the mix, and that's what we came with. This is hard though, these floors.
Let them cook.
And they run through the whole house. Y'all see that. So then you come in here in the dining room and the kitchen. See, we chose the gold lighting, gold hardware, the gold accent shit through the whole house. This backsplash was hard. Did I choose this or you did? I feel like
it was a mutual decision.
Yeah. I like these
you
patterns.
You said it and I was like, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bring the towel over here. Let's see how
yeah, these patterns, they make this shit look pop even harder. Usually people do the subway tiles and they basically square, rectangle in, shape tiles, but this looks a lot better. Got the hood on, good work.
You still got the plastic on the cabinets.
Oh yeah. I ain't gonna cap. I did this on purpose to show y'all everything in this bitch new, but I'm gonna tell y'all what it is, man, cause y'all don't get the real deal Holyfield on this channel, you feel me? Y'all gonna see what shit really is. We ain't faking nothing. You ready? I know what type of time I'm on, right?
Can you get the glove off?
We'll focus this later. Alright, man.
That's exactly how you be struggling, y'all.
Stop. This look like a struggle. Y'all see this house? This look like a struggle.
We talk about in different departments. Just joking.
Alright, go in the bathroom. Actions throughout the house. Let's go. And this 24, this 14 karat gold, this real gold right here. This is about 2 ounces of gold right here. What ounces of gold trading for right now? I know that shit down. Trump talking crazy with these tariffs and shit. Nah, I'm fucking with y'all. This sink, Diamond chose this. I would have never chose this blue sink, but it hit hard with the gold on it. I like how it came out. I would have never chosen blue sink.
Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's so
good. These couple bedrooms you got down here. Get the fans instead of the regular flat lights. Operate from the remote right here. No. Got a second bedroom right here. Same shit. The black doors. This is the first house I did black doors at. And probably gonna be doing all the houses like this now. All my maintenance guys, they never had seen this either. So the black doors is tough. What you think, baby?
I think the black doors is good for sure.
And we got the larger bedroom upstairs. Yeah, this is how we played it up here. I usually, in this bedroom up here, I usually do flat lights, like this one over here. But they got these low profile, you see light, the double as a fan also. We had to order this.
Took a
It's a
little bit
nice
over a
light,
week
yeah.
to get here.
So we're gonna be running with these all the time. So we're coming through here to the basement. There's some lights. Finished basement. We got a half bath down here. Down here we did the dry fall, blacked out the ceilings, put the canister lights up. Did some nice paneling on the walls. This came out good. My maintenance guy made a mistake and bought three sheets of this. He was supposed to have all sheets of white. I don't know how that got mine. And shit, I just told him to put it up here and make it like an action wall. It came out nice.
Mm-hmm. Definitely like that.
Yeah. Got a closet right here. Yeah. It's another room.
This could be a big, like, I mean, not a big, but a whole nother room. Like, somebody could literally sleep in there.
We got another room over here. Right?
Mm-hmm. There's no closet space in here. I think this was supposed to be a closet space.
It's a basement, so.
But
we got a closet on
there wasn't a door right there.
Then we got the half bath right here.
If they want, they probably could put a little shower down here too. Yeah. That's the job for them, not for us.
And here, this the wash area, and you see we got new water heater, new furnace, everything in this house done and new.
Thank God we have no issues with the water heater or furnace being taken.
And over here, this is pretty nice and safe area. But that's it, man. CC done, completed, on the market. Holla back at us on Tracy. You already know what time it is. You feel me? Hey, if y'all interested in this property,
They ain't gonna, this property be done sold by the time.
it is, but still. Hey, Tania.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How you feeling?
Good.
Couple questions. How did the open house go?
So it wasn't the best. I think it was because we had just put it up and we didn't market it, but I do have quite a few showings already scheduled today.
Oh, okay. That's good. Should we do like a bar? Well, it's gonna be a bar, but we're trying to figure out the height. Should I leave it like cabinet height and just run it?
I think, that's been good. Like running the cabinet height, and then just to some. Yeah, so you have to get like the bar stools. They can get the regular kind of height stools.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's it. Just keep me posted on the showings today.
Okay, and then I can swing by there today or first thing tomorrow, just to look at it.
You can if you want to. They'll be over there fine there. But it's been demos and all of that. They over there starting the drywall work and stuff.
Okay, cool. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right. So what we talking about is usually like when somebody have this, it's the half wall like we're doing in the dining room, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they have this for the cabinets in the kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's the dining room area, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then they have it a little elevator wall and then a separate circles for the bar.
I know what you're saying.
So you heard it just say to keep it cabin height.
Mm-hmm.
Kitchen all the way into in there.
Mm.
What you think?
Mm.
You can still sit up to these?
I think I would, as a buyer, from a buyer perspective, right? Because that's what's most important. I would want it to be elevated because you putting that in the dining room, they probably gonna have a dining room table anyway. So it being so low is like.
Hey Abdul.
Hey, D'Angelo.
What's going on?
I'm over here on Fairmont. Small tree, not a big one, but it's right up against the house.
I gotta come look at it.
Yeah, you see it. It's growing in.
A small tree can't do all that damage.
That's what he can. The roots is coming through the wall.
Yeah. Okay.
No, this man is starving me.
Nah, I'm just trying. I gotta give Mario the height. That's what he called me for. I gotta get that to him. I told him I was gonna pull up over there.
The height for what?
For the wall. He building the wall over there right now. This cabinet height. You see, it hang over for the dining room to sit under.
That's cabinet height?
Yeah. And see, this is what I like about it. I would do that, but you see, it look like a big ass slab wrapping all the way from here all the way around.
I prefer elevated, but that is still fine.
Okay, why do you prefer elevated?
Because from a buyer's perspective, I don't want to be sitting low. If I got a dining room table, I would rather have a bar as well and sit higher. The options, sitting low and sitting higher.
Do you think we sit low at home?
At our, what you call it table? Yeah.
You think that's low? But we have bar stools.
Oh, you talking about
That's
in the
cabinet
center
height. Yes.
on our
island. Yes, that's cabinet height.
Yeah, that's not really low. So
See,
all
look, this is cabinet height. You see they got bar stools up too.
All cabinets got a standard height size, like they all the same size.
Yes. They all. Every cabinet.
Cause these look shorter than the ones we got at home in the middle.
No, they're not. All cabinets, no matter the style or the size, is all standard height. Yeah. Because that's what makes it easy for people.
Maybe it's because our whole thing is a cabinet and it's got a drawer up top and a cabinet on the bottom, so it look.
Yeah, it could be
I don't
that.
know.
Could be that.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's easy to count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving doubt tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, need you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, I got here off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody God got me right, cause I don't really look like what I made it through. People from the past wonder how. Somebody tell the realest This live inside you too. I keep a bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. I'm 30 for 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, I'm stuck.